Good morning students. Today we are learn consumer protection. Consumer protections last lecture we are completed. Introductions, meanings and rights of consumers we are learn last lectures. Today we are learn way and means of consumer protection. We are enumerated several instances of exploitations and malpractices on the part of manufacturers, traders and service providers. There are various ways and means of consumer protections. There are many legislations and Consumer Protection Act passed by government, but still consumers are being exploited. The judicial systems alone cannot restrict consumer exploitations. Hence, many other ways and means are adopted. They are as follow. First, Lok Adalat. Lok Adalat is the effective and economical system for quick redressals of the public grievance, means public complaints. It can also be referred to as public courts. These courts are the public courts. They are all are the publics. It is stabilized by the government to settle disputes by compromise. Resolution of disputes by Lok Adalats gets statutory recognition. For example, MSEDCL, MSRTC, railway authorities, insurance companies, banks, etc. Organization of regular Lok Adalat. Lok Adalats, another words are here. Lok Adalat is a mock courts held by state authority, district authority, Supreme Court Legal Service Committee, High Court Legal Service Committee or Taluka Level Service Committee. It is known as a public court. It is known as a public court. Next, it accepts cases pending in regular courts and can be settled by compromises. Have both the parties should agree to transfer their cases. No court fees are charged. If a matter is not solved by compromise, it is returned to the regular court. There is a return to the regular court. Some organizations had Lok Adalat regularly. For example, railway authorities, electricity board, MSEB, electricity board, telephone exchange, etc. Then another way and means of consumer protection, public interest litigations, Janahit Yachika. Public interest litigations means a legal action initiated in a court of law regarding a matter of general public interest. It is a legal facility under which any person can approach to the court of a law in the interest of the society. Its aim is to provide legal remedies to unrepresented group of society. It is filed in the High Court as well as the Supreme Court directly in the same cases. There is a public interest litigations. It means it is a Janahit Yachika. They are the help for the Janta. Janahit Yachika. There's schemes. Any person can approach court of law. Any persons. It is a legal section. Any persons can approach court of law in the interest of the public. In the interest of the general public. It provide legal remedies and unrepresented group of the society. That is a consumers. Another ones we are learn here, redressal forums. Redressal forum under the Consumer Protection Act 2019. A system has been set up to deal with the consumer grievances and Disputes at districts, state and national level can be set up for promotion and protection of rights of consumer. Last lecture we are learned some rights and there is a protection for that rights. They are the helping for this forum, district forum, state forums and national levels. Then any individual consumers or association of consumer can file a complaints with respective commissions depends on the value of goods and claims for compensations. There is a redressal forums. Another one's awareness program. To increase the level of awareness among the consumers, state and central government regularly publish journals, brochures, booklets and various posters depicting the rights and responsibility of consumers. Redressals, machineries, etc. Several audio-video programs on consumer awareness are broadcasting on various channels. DD national channels, news channels, they are the different channels and through the social media. 15 March is observed as International Consumer Rights Day and 24 December is observed as a National Consumer Days. Next, consumers organization. Consumers organization have been active in India to promote and protect consumer interest. Consumer movement is well settled in India and helping individuals to seek quick and adequate redressal of their grievance. There is the consumers organization. It was realized that just by talking about moral conduct of fair business practice or even by making legal provisions, there are so many provisions, rules and regulations, it is not possible to change the consumer movements. Thus, more and more consumer organizations are helping the consumers to fight for their rights through protests, champions, lobbies, etc. They are the help to the consumers organizations. Another ones are Consumer Welfare Fund, CWF. Consumer Welfare Funds Department of Consumers Affairs has created Consumer Welfare Fund for providing financial assistance to strengthen the voluntary, particularly in the rural areas. This fund is used for training to consumers and research in consumer educations, complaints handlings, counseling and guidance, mechanize and product testing lab and so on. This is the helping for Consumer Welfare Fund. Consumers Welfare Fund by Department of Revenues for providing financial assistance to voluntary consumer movement. They are the helping to the voluntary consumers movement, especially in the rural areas. This money is used in consumer education. This money is using for the consumers educations, consumer complaints handling, consumer complaints, counseling and guidance, etc. Another ones are legislative measures. A number of laws have been enacted in India to safeguard the interests of consumers and protect them unethical practice of businessmen. Some of these laws are as follow. Sales of Goods Act 1930, Essentials Commodities Act 1955, Standard and Weights and Measure Act 1956, Bureaus of Indian Standard Act 1969, Food Safety and Standard Act 2006, National Food Security Act 2013. Is all act are the consumers protection. We are learn today here's way and means of consumer protections. Now assignment questions. Discuss the different way and means of consumer protections. Thank you, students.